Welcome back to the channel. Today we're focusing on the Wattmeter, the instrument that measures active power, the most important electrical quantity on board. So what is active power? It's the real useful electrical energy that actually performs mechanical work. It's what drives your main engine pumps, turns your propeller motor if you're on a diesel-electric ship, lights your accommodation, and cooks your food in the galley. Active power is measured in watts, or more commonly on a ship's large scale, kilowatts, kilowatt. The wattmeter's reading on the main switchboard tells the engineer exactly how much mechanical load is being placed on the diesel engine coupled to the generator. Why is the wattmeter so critical? Firstly, for load management and safety. Every generator has a kilowatt rating, which is the maximum safe amount of mechanical work its engine can sustain continuously. If the wattmeter reading exceeds this limit, the generator is overloaded. Sustained overloading leads to dangerously high cylinder temperatures, excessive thermal and mechanical stress on the engine components, and drastically shortens the equipment's lifespan. The wattmeter is the primary indicator that the generator is working too hard and that load shedding may be necessary. Secondly, for parallel operation and load sharing. When two or more generators are running in parallel, they must share the total system load equally to maintain stability and efficiency. The wattmeter is the instrument used to check this real load sharing. The engineer adjusts the governor, the speed control, of each generator to precisely match their wattmeter readings. If the wattmeters are balanced, it means the generators are sharing the load effectively. If they're unbalanced, the high kilowatt generator becomes thermally stressed and the low kilowatt generator is underutilized. Proper kilowatt load sharing is controlled entirely by adjusting the prime mover speed governors, which changes the mechanical power delivered to the generator. This is a key distinction from reactive power sharing, which is controlled by the automatic voltage regulator. Thirdly, for fuel economy. Since active power represents the real work done, the kilowatt reading is directly proportional to the fuel consumption of the engine. A continuously monitored wattmeter allows engineers to operate generators at their most efficient load percentage, often around 80 to 90% of their rating, to achieve the best specific fuel oil consumption, SFOC. In short, the wattmeter is the most direct measure of the ship's actual power usage and the mechanical output of the diesel engines. It's the single most important reading for preventing engine overload, ensuring reliable power supply, and optimizing fuel efficiency at sea. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.